Hello everyone and welcome back to Chapter 11 of ESL Pronunciation and Conversation. Continuing our work here, we're talking now about the pro tip of linking consonant sounds that are the same. A final consonant sound with the same consonant sound in the next word, and what that sounds like when we do that in English, in spoken English. So let's have a listen to CD2 track 34. Here we have examples of two words, again written separate, but pronounced connected. And you'll see that we do that because the final consonant sound and the first consonant sound are the same in each of these. So let's give a listen and then let's see what the rule is here when we have two consonant sounds that are the same. CD2 track 34.
Linking final consonant to same consonant. Page 89.
Black coffee. I'll have a black coffee.
One night. He called one night last week.
Weather report. What's the weather report?
Black coffee. Black coffee. I'll have a black coffee. One night. One night. He called one night last week. Weather report. Weather report. What's the weather report? So when we have two consonant sounds that are the same, we only pronounce that consonant sound one time, not twice. And for that reason, that consonant sound is going to sound a bit longer. Instead of black coffee and one night and weather report. And again, in English, this is about creating that rhythm. We connect these two consonant sounds together. We pronounce that consonant sound only one time, and that consonant sound is stressed, right? To the extent that it sounds longer than it normally would otherwise. Black coffee. One night. Weather report. I think, and although it doesn't mention this, I think voiced consonant sounds like r, r, and n, n. I think those are going to sound a little longer than the voiceless consonant sounds. Just another anecdote there.